Hello traders, welcome to today's market analysis. So happy Labour's Day, and today we have a market holidays on most of the countries. But still the forex market has a good volatility, especially on gold, Bitcoin, and all other markets. Also, if you look at today, news releases which was Japanese yen, there was no interest rate cut or rate increase on Japanese yen. So due to that, the Japanese yen has got weaker, and and after some time we have ADP ISM manufacturing PMI on US news, and tomorrow we have US non-farm payroll and hourly earnings, average hourly earnings, and unemployment rate. So these are the major news release on US. So we can expect some kind of big movements are going to happen in the US market. So let's see the market opportunities one by one. So first let me check about Euro USD. Euro USD is simply moving down after hitting the resistance or support, I could say anything. So Euro USD have chances to move down, I think. So Euro USD is simply moving in. We can expect Euro USD to move down, especially another 500 points movement is possible on Euro USD, but need to consider, still you should have to consider how good it can move on. And pound USD trying to move down, it is also making a good movement. Tomorrow we have a news on US non-farm payroll, so we need to be a little bit careful about trading on US pairs. So let's see how we make the market can move on. So let's so Euro USD. So pound USD, I think pound USD is going to only fall. It's not even trying to move down. So pound USD is trying only to fall. So if you look at technically, pound USD might have chances to move down only. So pound USD have chances to move only down. But if I look at this line channel, it might have chances to consolidate once again. So I could say that pound USD might also have chances to move up instead of down. So I need to wait and see. how the pound USD is going to react. And moreover, Australian USD still remain at the top. So I think Australian USD have chances to fall, but more than that, mm, still Australian USD is just simply consolidating. So I could say that Australian USD have chances to move up actually. It might give some correction, but most of the time it have chances only to move up. So once Australian USD hits the bottom, I think it's gonna reach a low level again. Hmm. But it is simply consolidating. Should have to remind that strictly. It is all simply consolidating. Nothing else. Nothing else. Something else. I know they're also trying to make some correction. The monthly correction is all possible. Yes, only monthly correction. So USGN. USGN try to move up continuously after breaking the highs. Silver, I think silver is going to move. It will move down. I think silver is going to move down. Actually, USD Swiss franc also trying to move down. Mm, Sorry, move up. Mm, yes, the Swiss franc. Wow. So last month the US Swiss franc fell down 8,000 points. Just now it made a 2,500 points correction. I think at least 50% or at least 35% correction is possible from last month. I think. Last month candle. I think market will reach at least the 35 level. So USD Swiss franc have chance to but it have chances to fall down also. It's all possible. Mm. For now, I think might. So as per falling wedge, I think a USD Swiss franc might have chances to move up. It will move up. USD Swiss franc. So now we can think about USD Canadian actually, but still USD Canadian at the bottom. So yeah, even thinking about USD Canadian is not much advisable. But still it is at the bottom. So what we can consider here on USD Canadian is Still, it is at the bottom. I think USD Canadian won't move up aggressively because Canadian dollar tried to get strong. Made a very good correction after breaking out this level. So I believe USD Canadian already made a 75% correction. So from this 75% correction zone, I think I can expect USD Canadian to move at least to 60% level. It is possible, highly possible. Yeah, it is highly possible for USD Canadian to move up, but it is against the but higher time frame it's good, but lower time frame it just looks like it is against the trend. It might give some consolidation. I think might move up once again. It is highly possible. Just for a consolidation. Uh, Australia Canadian try to move down after trying to hit that level. But I won't go against the trend because it is hardly like it's just simply consolidation. So it's better not to take any kind of trades on Australia Canadian. Pound out again retested the support and trying to rebound. So pound out still looks like it's all trying to pull back and then try to move up again. So pound out, I don't think so that pound out might have chances to move up continuously. However, pound out might have chances to fall from this level. It's highly possible for pound out fall, but it's just rebounding harder. So this raises a strong question that pound out might have chances to move up because it might have chance to retest and make a correction. Pound Canadian, wow, pound Canadian looks like when it hits the top, it just fell down from the lower high. Uh, oh, we could see a lot of same kind of things happening. It's like a consolidation zone. If it breaks this support, then only we can sell. Otherwise, it's still in a buy. Moreover, if you look at the monthly chart, pound Canadian might have chance to make a correction, but it have a lot of chances to fall. Not even down, it has a lot of chances to fall. Euro Canadian, it just made a very good fall from I think according to Euro Canadian, I think might have chance to reach the support. So Euro Canadian is like that, and if I consider Euro Canadian, hmm, 8% level, and have a chance to hit back. In a pound, still at the high. Go with the trend. Don't go against the trend. Against the trend is very, very dangerous. It's very dangerous for anyone who goes against the trend. It's all very dangerous. Just retest just broken support and try to move down. So I think pound New Zealand had a lot of chances to move up, but it was trying to consolidate from this level. So even if it tried to retest, I think it might have chance to hit this level for moving up. So if you look out so you know, take it more easier. Wow, New Zealand just rebounded from the support level, but I don't get a more confirmation other than this. I don't see much more confirmation. So let's see from this level. Yeah, nearly 60%, nearly 60%. Might have chances to retest again, but I think that it might have chance. 2000, 2000 exactly. The box button, the target hit happen. Mm, Pound out is also rebounding from the same. Is all simply consolidating. So pound out, I could not able to say what's really happening over there. It just made a very nice rebound from the support. I think it might have chance to move up mostly, not even down. But in the monthly time frame perspective, pound out might have chance to go down and make a pullback, and then it can move up. So all the markets are in the pullback mode due to the month starting of the month. Here you go. USD Japanese yen. So if I look at the USD Japanese yen, it is all near to the high. So it just broke the high. It's all trying to move up continuously. Only thing is the USD Canadian dollar didn't make much more movement. So Bitcoin, just keep buying. I think Bitcoin will reach again 100k very soon. Just keep buying. Euro USD. Gold. 10 JPY. All the pairs it just tried to move down. Mostly Australian USD and all those pairs. So if I look out USD pairs, which USD pair doesn't move much? I can easily say that USD Canadian dollar didn't move much. So USD Canadian dollar might have chances to rebound harder. But at the same time, I believe tomorrow we have a US news, so we need to be more cautious and careful how the US market is going to move on. We need to be very, very careful about USD Canadian. even if it's just trying to fall. Swiss franc is also trying to rebound uh, order from these levels. I think Euro Swiss franc also have chances to move up more continuously. Continuous movement is possible. Euro Swiss franc. Australian Swiss franc look like just now had just made a breakout. Here's your Canadian. Australia, New Zealand again rebounding from the bottom. So gold try to move only down. Gold will move down more. Still, this level is highly achievable on gold. Don't think that gold might what can I say? Just make 50% correction. Maybe another another 4 to 5,000 points. Another 3,000 points that is possible on gold. So other than that, I think gold won't move much. So let's consider other pairs like Australian JPY just trying to hit the top. Australian JPY, Swiss franc JPY just trying to rebound. As you can see, very good rebound area from the retest area is so strong. So after this breakout, I think buying Swiss franc JPY is a good idea. JPY got more weak due to no interest rate. And Euro Japanese yen also good to buy. All the Japanese yen looks like good to buy. So I think Euro Australian dollar also have a lot of chances to move up. Euro Australian dollar. But in the smaller time frame, Euro Australian dollar is at the low level. I think Euro Australian dollar we should have to focus on taking the trade. Euro Australian dollar I just try to rebound, but at the same time, wow, nice confirmation happening on Euro Australian dollar. I think Euro Australian dollar is good to buy. Yes, I could definitely say that it's very good to buy Euro Australian dollar. It's very good to buy Euro Australian dollar. So Euro Australian dollar have a lot of chances to move up. Mm, Euro AD is giving me more confident. Instead of pound out, it's better to buy Euro Australian dollar, I believe. Pound out made a bigger correction, however, Euro Australian dollar still correction if you look at the time frame or anything. Australia Canadian dollar. So Euro Australian dollar, a lot of chances. Bitcoin just broke this level, so